Grand awakening, Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me, check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks, great products are there for you. Your word of the day is peace to your soul. There's no reason to have a wildfire. No, it's time to be that fireplace, calm, cool, warm, that a baby can be placed right next to you and guaranteed none of your embers or your flames will touch or harm that baby. That's how your community is flocking to you. Bring that energy of peace, love, because guaranteed you've done everything you're supposed to do. You are prepared to go to the next level. So make sure that you lead with love and not with physical appearance, not with fashion, not with slick talk, not with slick content, only with truth. Truth and love will bring your tribe to you. I am unwavering in the face of fear. I come to my senses and I embrace challenge. Therefore, I become stronger and wiser. And the big blessings I'm asking for are on the way. I'm determined to think with gentleness and calm, and I find inner silence to become a manifestation of peace. A peaceful Sagittarius is a positive Sagittarius, a very logical. You learn things and you're going to pass it on to the next person. You become stronger, wiser, therefore you can channel in and maintain bigger and stronger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.